Moms want their kids to be healthy and safe from threats like toxic chemicals, hazardous air pollution, and extreme weather. And we were told by the president and his team that they care about children's health, but they are not protecting children's health. We know because they are tearing apart the most vital tools we have to protect our kids from environmental harms. They're saying they want to reduce kids' exposure to toxic chemicals in our everyday lives, chemicals like PFAS, phthalates, and the overwhelming problem of microplastics. But they're doing the opposite. In fact, they're trying to weaken the laws that protect families against toxic chemicals, letting polluters emit more hazardous chemicals into the air, and dismantling critical rules that protect people from the most toxic pesticides and toxic chemicals, including those used in plastics. They're saying they want to tackle the epidemic of chronic disease in kids, but they're doing the opposite. In reality, they are gutting protections against soot and smog that worsen asthma, one of the leading chronic diseases in children. And they're taking steps that will make petrochemical pollution worse. The dioxins, PFAS, formaldehyde, and other hazardous pollutants that are linked to higher pediatric cancer risk. They're saying they want to strengthen the health of our families, but they're doing the opposite. Instead, they're trying to gut protections against the climate pollution that is heating the planet and supercharging dangerous extreme weather like heat waves, wildfires, and flooding. And they're saying they want to restore science and research, but they're doing the opposite. They're actually firing scientific experts, slashing critical research funding, and publishing reports written by known extremists who deny science and misrepresent the research. They say they care about your kids' health, but their actions tell a different story. Join Moms Clean Air Force in calling on our leaders to take the steps that actually protect kids' health, like upholding and strengthening protections against toxic chemicals, air pollution, and climate pollution. Our families deserve leaders who tell the truth.